definitely learn while you're playing with Hot Wheels. So did you play with Hot Wheels?
Oh,
when you were
yeah.
a
I used
kid?
to put
Did you
some massive tracks together. Sure.
Yeah, so this curriculum came about with two parents were picking up their kids at a nursery school. One was working for Mattel and one worked for USC Rossier, and they got to talking about how could we use Hot Wheels to help kids learn math and science.
Well, show us what it is we're going to learn here.
We'll take
Go ahead
a look
and show
here.
me, because we have this, this is up about a foot or so?
Yeah, ideally in the classroom, you would use books, but we're not in the classroom.
Right.
So for now, we're going to use these boxes. But kids would start with one box, and they would then determine how far the car would go. So why don't you go ahead and give it a
All
shot.
right, so we just drop it and let it go.
Just go ahead and drop it. And then in science, you always want to do multiple trials.
Right.
So why don't we do 3?
See if the blue car goes any further.
Okay.
It's got a little left turn. We'll do 3. And one more.
Yeah, and so kids would then measure that, figure out the
3.5, 4
average,
feet, yeah.
graph this data with all 4 different books, and then they would have a discussion. Each group of students will be doing these activities and then tying in the physics, which has to do with energy. And
This looks more fun because this one has a crash at the bottom. There's one waiting. So what are we learning from this?
So this is all about collisions, and as you increase the number of boxes, there's more potential energy, which leads to kinetic energy, which leads to a larger collision.
Well, the idea is that kids get to learn, but obviously the more fun you make it, the more likely kids are to learn. So the idea here is Mattel is teaming up with schools, and if kids want to get their school involved, they can find more information on our website at kwgn.com, how to reach out to Mattel and get this kind of equipment and get some Hot Wheels in school. It sounds like fun, right? Dr. Freking, thanks for coming down this morning.
Thank you so
Hopefully
much.
kids in schools will get a chance to check this all out. All right, Kim, it sounds like fun.
Sounds like a good way to get the kids involved. All right.